Hey guys, let's go to question number 20. And we're going to solve this question in a different way, okay? So we have 6 times x. We got 6 times x plus 3 equals 27. As we've been doing these problems so many times, how we kind of get, exhausted by isolating the variable x. So what if I just focus on 6, What if I focus on 6? And if I just focus on 6, I would try to make value on the right side as multiple of 6. So there could be probably 24 or 30. I like 30 better, Like 30 is going to be divisible by 6 by having the quotient of 5, and it doesn't leave any remainder. So what can I do? Well, probably I can add 3 to the left side and the right side. So if I add 6 times x plus 3 by 3, well, it's just going to be the same thing by adding 3 like this. Does that make sense? So we end up getting something like 6 times x plus positive 6, which is going to be 30. Okay. So can I use the distributive property once more that we've learned in problem 19? Well, probably I would say we can use the factorizations, because that looks like this form. And if you get stuck in the middle, just try to see what has happened. Well, 6 times x plus 6 times 1, well, that looks like 6 times x plus 1. Because that 1 and that x were Mr. Triangle and Mr. Square. That got to be Mr. Circle, right? So we have 6 times x plus 1, and we can identify the value of x by multiplying 6 to the left side and the right side. All right, so let's just try to write it down accordingly. So we got 30 like this. So if you cancel out those 6 times 1 over 6, well, it becomes positive 1, and we end up getting x plus 1 equals 5. And x is supposed to be just positive 4. Now, here's one extra note that I want you to see. If I have some 6 times something, some block of a number, which is going to be 30, as you can see from here, if I bring this, this particular equation outside, well, you notice that this particular value should be just 5, right? So we can, instead of doing all of these, like the algebraic properties, you can just simply see that, oh yeah, solving it by looking at the value that we plug, gotta be as a whole, gotta be 5. And if you find out that as a 5 and you can use some mental math to figure out x equals 4, that's one way of solving it, okay? So x equals 4, we have found the solution, and that shall be it.